Alright, so hey, what's going on, you guys? This is Keen over at AskaJeeper. Today what we're going to be doing is teaching you guys how to replace your PCM on your Jeep Grand Cherokee WJ. And so on this specific model, the PCM is laying flat up against right down here. And what you have to do is you have to take out the coolant reservoir. Then you'll have 3 plugs. I'll go ahead and get the new PCM and kind of show you what it looks like. This is what our new PCM looks like. I got it for about $160, I believe, from a company on eBay. So we're going to go ahead and do is teach you. It's really easy. There's just 2 bolts that are holding in this. Actually, I think there's 3, but mine's broken on the bottom. So I think there's 3. We're going to unplug this real quick. And then go ahead and get this off. Alright, so what you'll be using is just an 11mm socket. I've got this screwdriver that I'm going to use for this just because my ratchet set is over yonder, so I don't want to go get it because I'm lazy. So we're just pull this out, place it over here, make sure it's flat. Let me see if I can find this. Yeah, so there's another screw at the bottom right here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but at the bottom right there, mine's busted off, so that's where that'll be. But let's go ahead and switch angles here. So now what we're going to want to do is just I don't even know if you can see that, but I'm going to just kind of push these wires out of the way. And you're going to be looking at those 3 wires, and really what you need, if you're having a hard time pulling these out, you just push down and yank. This white one should have a cover on it like this, but it doesn't with this model for some reason. And so we're going to pull this out, and I'm going to show you where it's bolted. Okay, so it's got 2 bolts right there, and then the annoying part is that it has a bolt under the tire over here, just under the wheel well. So I'll show you where that is in a sec, but first we're gonna get these 2 off. So it did end up being a 10mm socket, so what we're gonna do is just try and get this to a point where I can just, there's one. So this is the bolt. Let me see. This is the bolt we're going to be looking at right here. Super easy. Just get your hand in there, unscrew it. And I can get it with my hand. Really need to replace the tires on this thing. Perfect. Alright, so now you should be able to just pop the bracket right out, like so. And then what you'll have to do is you'll have to unscrew it with these 4 star heads over here, and I'll show you how to do that on the table over here. Basically all you're going to want to do is unscrew these. And voila, the old PCM is off. So now what we're going to do is we're going to plug in the new PCM without bolting it all on, just to see if it works. Since I'll go like this, so just plug it into all the same holes, making sure that it's tight and the clips latch. pull them out, make sure it's all secure, and then we'll just go ahead and give it a start. Okay, obviously the reason for doing this is you just want to make sure that the new PCM allows the car to run, so we're going to go ahead and start it. Alright, so it looks like we got the PCM working just fine. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is put this PCM and mount it back on the bracket, and then reinstall it, and then we'll be good to go. Now we're just trying to line up everything, make sure that we're good. Line that up there. Make sure everything plugs in correctly. You want to grab the nuts, tighten those back up, tighten that one up, and then again you want to go down there and tighten that bolt up that we saw at the beginning. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching on how to change your PCM. Don't forget to plug back in the coolant sensor, tighten all that stuff back up, and then you'll be good to go. Start the car and you should be good. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye.